I'm so excited to be setting up the TweetyDreams combined nightlight and white noise machine. I love that the nightlight function provides you with endless amounts of colour choice, including 2 rainbow settings, and you can add any of these to your favourites as well. There's a huge range of white noise, rain, wind, waves, birds, fans, lullabies, whatever you want. There's 34 sounds you can choose from. The app is one of my favourite features because I can sit back and use the app and control the light from far away. It allows you to make adjustments without having to disturb the baby or enter the room. You can add sounds and colours to your favourites so they're easy to access at all times. The nightlight is also portable and rechargeable, so this allows you to take it anywhere you need. The battery life lasts up to 10 hours as well, so it's absolutely fantastic. If my baby doesn't fall asleep to these sounds, I'm going to be absolutely shocked because literally playing it for 10 seconds and I'm falling asleep.